Hello. In this video we will go over how to make a cut splice in 3-strand line. A cut splice makes an oval loop when connecting two pieces of line. It can be used as an attachment point to transfer items between two places. It can also be used instead of a short splice when connecting two pieces of line. Start by measuring and taping the length of line needed to make 3 to 5 tucks per strand. Unlay the strands and tape or burn the ends. If you are first starting out, it can be useful to mark the ends of your strands with colored tape or markers. This will help you keep track of your strands when making tucks. To start your tucks, split the strands to be tucked and lay over your line. Then split your line and tuck the center strand under and through. Rotate the line slightly away from you. Tuck the second strand under where the first strand came out of. For the third strand, rotate the line toward the original position. It should be tucked over and under so that it exits where the first strand was tucked under. From here you can start your over and under tucks. It doesn't matter which strand you begin with, as long as all the strands are tucked one after the other and not the same strand over and over. Remember, if you are first starting out, it can be helpful to mark your strands with colored tape or markers to keep track of your sequence. Now that one side is tucked, you can make your loop. I am going to make a slight loop for this splice. If you do not need the loop, but just wanted to connect the two pieces of line, lay the two sections alongside each other, and start your tucks. Thanks for watching.